Can I get windshield replacement with my auto insurance? As Florida residents, we know windshield damage is all too common, from rocks flying on the roads to debris that seemingly comes out of nowhere. Windshield replacement may be covered by your insurance under certain conditions. Many insurance policies offer comprehensive coverage, which may include coverage for your windshield replacement. However, the specific coverage and terms of your insurance policy will determine whether your windshield will be covered. It's important to check with your trusted insurance advisor to understand the details of your coverage. Keep in mind that some claim situations might have deductibles or limitations on coverage for your windshield replacement. If you find yourself facing windshield damage, here's what you need to do. First, contact us. Reach out to your trusted insurance advisor. Our team will guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have. 2, choose a repair shop. If your policy covers windshield replacement, your insurance provider may have preferred repair shops. However, you have the choice to choose a repair shop that suits your needs. 3, claim filing. If your policy covers the windshield replacement, you can file a claim with us. And 4, get back on the road. Once your claim is approved, your chosen repair shop will assist you in getting your windshield replaced as quickly as possible. To better understand your coverage details, or if you would like to review your policy, give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call at 727-748-2886. Your safety and satisfaction are our top priority. Don't wait, call us today.